Ayan, taklo biyang yan. Yang ulit. We are in Barangay Santiago, one of the most infected areas. It's a garbage area, and the surroundings is filled with mud and all kinds of garbage. We are right now here to do a medical mission and to do relief goods as well. This is the team of New Life Alabang, team of New Life Alabang, team of Blang, Mayor Piñol, and half the other half is Operations Blessing of 700 Club. The rest is government and private sectors who are helping.
Kailan sa index card po? Mami, ganun yung mga anak, kalapin ka. Magulang sa
I-up ko ni sa website, stick ka? Oo, sige. Sige, naka-record na pa.
Hi, good day to everyone. I'm Pastor Copper Sabari of New Life Christian Center. You know what happened to our city? It was really devastated by flood, but we as a church, as individuals, we gather doctors, nurses, and volunteers to help barangays that is really hardly hit by this typhoon. Now we are now in Barangay Santiago. We plan to cater 600 families. That's almost 4,000 individuals. We will having a medical mission and relief operation for them. All of us together will make a difference for the glory of God. Thank you so much, all friends, partners, and supporters who gave to this cause. I know God said, when I was hungry, you give me food. When I was naked and you clothed me. When I was thirsty, you give me drink. I was in prison and you visit me. When you do it to the less of the brethren like this, you do it unto me, the Lord says. God bless you, and we will do more mission and relief operation. This is also partnership with our New Life family, friends, and Operation Blessing. God bless us all.
Kailan na siya isama? Ano ba?
In the behalf ng Panginoon. Yeah, konti ako.
Hindi, pagam lang.
One, two. One, two, three.
Morning. We are from Lagos, Matanto. We are sent here by our mayor, Nicolas Pinol, and this is our vice mayor,